Unveiling the meaning of brick up, an English phrase explored. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a really interesting topic to discuss. We are going to explore the phrase, brick up. This is a phrase that you might come across in English novels, movies, or perhaps in everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of what it means and how to use it in sentences. So, let's get started. The phrase, brick up, literally refers to building a brick wall or blocking an opening with bricks. This could be a window, a door, or any other kind of opening in a structure. When you brick something up, you are closing it off completely, not allowing anything to pass through. Example 1. Imagine you have an old window in your house that you no longer use. You might decide to brick up the window to close it off completely. Example 2. In some historical stories, you might hear about rooms or passages being bricked up to hide or protect something. This is another example of using the phrase in a literal sense. Brick up can also be used in a metaphorical way. In this sense, it describes a situation where someone is closing themselves off emotionally, not allowing their feelings to show, or not letting others in. Example 1. When someone goes through a tough time, they might brick up their emotions, avoiding any discussions about their feelings. Example 2. A character in a movie might be described as having bricked up their heart after a traumatic experience, indicating that they have become cold or distant. Now that we understand both the literal and metaphorical meanings, let's see how we can use brick up in sentences. Example 1. Literal. After the window got broken for the third time, they decided to just brick it up. Example 2. Metaphorical. He's bricked himself up so much after the breakup. He won't talk to any of us. Example 3. Literal. The secret passage was bricked up centuries ago, and nobody knows where it is now. Example 4. Metaphorical. You can't just brick up your feelings. It's important to talk about them. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, brick up. We hope that these explanations and examples have helped clear up any confusion and have given you a better understanding of how to use this phrase in both its literal and metaphorical senses. Remember, understanding the context is key when interpreting phrases like these. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing your English and stay curious.